Curly was well known for his crazy antics, crazy expressions, wild sayings.
Certainly.
How did Curly come up with all these crazy, wild expressions and crazy dances? He'd spin on the floor, do his curly shuffle, all kinds of crazy things. Well, this is how it developed and why he did it.
Certainly.
It was a well-known fact that Curly didn't have the greatest memory. Curly actually used to forget a lot of his lines while he was performing.
Certainly.
So what Curly started to do, whenever he would forget his lines, he would just come up with crazy words, crazy dances, spinning on the floor, his famous Curly shuffle. And now you know the driving force behind all of the crazy Curly antics of the Three Stooges, and we love every moment of it. Thanks, Curly.
Certainly.